AI won't replace everyone, but it will transform certain jobs faster than others. Here are the roles most likely to change first. Job Group 1, administrative work. Scheduling, emails, forms, reporting, customer messages. AI handles these instantly. Job Group 2, writing and communication roles. Copywriters, social media managers, content writers. AI speeds up 80% of the work. Job Group 3, data and analysis. AI can summarize, analyze, and interpret data at incredible speed. Job Group 4, customer support. AI agents answer questions 24/7 and handle routine issues. Job Group 5, basic coding. AI can write functions, fix bugs, and build prototypes. Here's the truth. These jobs don't disappear, they evolve. People who use AI will work faster, think better, and perform at higher levels than those who don't. So in simple terms, AI doesn't kill jobs. It kills inefficiency. And those who adapt will rise the fastest. If you want more future of work insights, subscribe to AI Unlocked.